Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining again. I hope you are all safe and well out there. Today's quite an exciting video. I'm getting together with a good friend of mine, Jack. Jack, you may also know as Cheshire Gent. He's going to be coming out in his 911 GT3. So we're going to be doing a bit of a comparison video, driving some beautiful roads. Right now we're just getting some petrol and making sure the tyres are nice and full. So yeah, so we're ready to roll. So let's see how quickly we can drain these petrol tanks. Come on, hurry up, mate.
What?
Hurry up, mate.
Take a few.
Right, so we are here in Jack's spec'd up to the max 911 991 GT3, and we're going to do a little bit of a comparison test between this race going road car and my new Vantage. So let's take it on some sick roads and can talk through the spec and yeah, talk through
Lovely day for it.
Absolutely amazing. So let's go. So far, everything about the car, the responsiveness, yeah, you know, it's that instant power from the naturally aspirated engine.
Does it feel a bit of a different beast to the Aston? I know the Aston around the track has got some great figures and really good stats, to be honest. I was surprised when I looked at it, you know. Yeah, we're not even in PDK, so if I click this button here, PDK Sport, that just gives you a bit more responsive throttle, a bit more exciting. Take it. And I think where this car differs to the Turbo S, you know, is that you don't have that instant turbo speed, but around the corners you felt how direct that steering is.
So this is the rear wheel steer, isn't it?
Yeah, rear wheel steer can get you out of trouble.
Yeah. The steering is light and it's just literally just
direct.
in.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. Yeah, that responsiveness in PDK.
What road this is?
This is unreal. Have you driven this before?
A couple of times, but in the dry, obviously, a lot better. I mean, it's still, even though it's a beautiful day today, it's a big damp, isn't it?
Yeah, this is sick. This is awesome.
Like, you know, the spec on this car, as you said, I really did put a lot of thought into it, and I think, you know, the things like the carbon triangles on the mirrors and the carbon mirrors, they're the little bits which make all the difference. So yeah, it's just, I've had it, as I say, 2.5 years now, and it's been a dream.
Well, honestly, man. Yeah, honestly, man. I've seen it in the flesh. Was it Agate Grey?
Yeah.
So Agate Grey in the flesh, kind of got like a gold kind of.
It's got a fleck to it.
Gold fleck to it. It's an absolutely stunning looking car, and I know these things absolutely hold their value. It's definitely a big driver of buying a car like this, is knowing that actually you can probably drive it for a couple of years and you won't lose that much money. You know? Yeah.
Well, I'm intrigued to drive yours and see what it's like.
Right, let's it's still here.
Still here, yeah.
Let's
swap cars.
Let's swap cars and give it a drive. See what we think.
Thank God nothing was behind.
That would be a good video. So we are in the Vantage again, but no one needs to know that.
Yeah.
Right. First thoughts.
I like it. Yeah, it just has this lovely feel to it. It's kind of a nostalgic kind of feeling that I am James Bond.
Yes.
Driving.
Yes.
Driving through the hills of Scotland, or wherever that film was.
Yeah. Skyfall, is it?
Skyfall, yeah.
Skyfall.
Just has a, I don't know, you feel like some sort of gentleman driving.
Like a Cheshire Jet.
Like a Cheshire Jet, yeah. But no, I mean...
We can pop a little link to that.
Yeah, pop a little link to that. But no, the steering feels nimble, responsive. The engine feels a little bit more torquey than the GT3.
Yeah, because I think figures wise, I think the GT3 obviously revs a lot higher. I think in the GT3 you're trying to push that kind of 9,000 RPM red line, aren't you?
Yeah.
Here we're only kind of revving up to
3 or 4. You're there.
Yeah, exactly. So
yeah, no, it's yeah. I mean, it does feel it feels a little bit more. It feels a little bit more luxury with the Alcantara. It's a lot more comfortable with the comfort seats.
Yeah.
Feels like this is a car you'd like to kind of drive for a long time, as opposed to the GT3 is something you want to just get in and out. I'm not used to the brakes. Got a bit more dry roads in the Aston, haven't we?
Yeah, there we go.
You can certainly feel the torque.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a great. Computer's bringing me back in there.
Yeah, reining you in a little bit.
But no, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the car. I think it's a great all-rounder.
Yeah, I think it's a close one. I think they both offer some similarities in both of them, but they both kind of package it up very differently. They feel very different to drive. I was amazed at how kind of open everything feels in the GT3. How you can literally pinpoint where the tyres are going to be sitting on the road. You're almost a bit blind in this, aren't you? Yeah, you obviously can't see where it is. It's kind of, you are kind of second guessing where things are. But at the end of the day, this isn't set up purely for track. But I'm really keen to see what this acts like on track.
Yeah, I think you'll be surprised.
But yeah, all round, yeah, can't fault it. I don't know what your thoughts are after you driving one car back to back. Really, I think it gives you a true night and day, doesn't it, of two different cars rather than waiting a long time and going for a test.
Yeah, it really does. I mean, the steering is direct, yet it feels a little bit more heavy than the GT3.
I mean, the GT3 is it's like telepathic. It's kind of like boom, you're in there before you see it.
It does feel like I'm carrying a bit more weight, as in if I'm going to go around the corner, the GT3 does. It's so direct into the corner, and then the RS is just even more direct, which is crazy to think with the downforce. But it does feel like round the corner it's a little bit more heavy, but you would expect it because it is heavy. I think fundamentally the way all these cars, whether it be McLaren, Aston Martin, Porsche, it's the way they make you feel, and I know we've said it before, but this really does make you feel different than driving a Porsche, and I can't really describe that.
Today's video. Thank you so much for joining once again. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. It's been an epic day. filming with Jack and the amazing 911 GT3. That is one hell of a car. So yeah, there's not much more left to say, but the sun is going down. Thank you so much for your support. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and yeah, subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you next time. Bye.